Hi y'all, welcome back to Out of the Box, and this time I'm rating food at Summer Jam 2024 at the Rice University campus in Houston, Texas. So this one was Love Croissants. Oh my gosh, they were amazing. I got the almond croissant, and as you can see, I am opening it. It is huge. It fits the whole box, and y'all, when I say this was a 5 out of 5, it was absolutely delicious. The worker there had a little oven that she put the croissant in and baked it for a little bit. It was absolutely amazing. One of the best things I ever have. Go and try out Love Croissants. You won't regret it. Next, y'all, we have Dumpling House, which serves dumplings, and these were absolutely delicious. My boyfriend and I absolutely adored these. These were so good. The only thing is, I wish I would have cooled them off, allowed them to cool off just a bit longer. I think it would have been a tad more flavorful with them being cooled off, but absolutely delicious. They also gave out Saint Arnold's beer, which my boyfriend said was so good and so refreshing. And this package I'm opening is Megaloo Chocolatier, which serves Belgium and Mexican chocolates. The owner put these little chocolates with a little ice cube to beat the Houston heat, which was very, very clever. And this packaging was not the best to open. It's a little hard, but y'all, check what is inside. It's probably one of the most beautiful assortments of chocolates I think I've seen. Okay, y'all, now look at this tiny carton of chocolates. It is so cute. I love this little egg carton little thing that the owner has created. I think this was just absolutely genius to carry little chocolates in. And yes, I did taste the chocolate. It's not the best that I've tasted. I would give it probably a 3.8 out of 5. Like I said, I've had better. The taste on many of them was just not there for me. Sometimes it was just a little questionable, but however, all of them were so good. And of course, I'm a chocoholic, so my favorite was the chocolate truffle. It was absolutely amazing. Yes, y'all, this is what I ate at Summer Jam at the Rice University campus in Houston, Texas. All of these things were absolutely delicious. Please do not forget to support these small businesses and support other small businesses in your community. Y'all, thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next unboxing. Bye!